All right, in matters health, First Lady Margaret Kenyatta has appealed to health sector stakeholders to prioritise early diagnosis of heart diseases by intensifying awareness creation and early treatment. The First Lady says success in tackling cardiovascular diseases requires more research and public sensitisation in identifying symptoms of the illnesses, especially among women and children.
First Lady Margaret Kenyatta says there is an urgent need to expand partnerships, mobilize more resources and develop human capacity, as well as formulate legislation and policy interventions needed to address the rising cases of cardiovascular ailments, rallying stakeholders to intensify their efforts to defeat heart diseases on the continent.
I urge us to work harder to raise awareness and attention to this issue. It will require more research effort, data collection, and knowledge that will help identify the unique symptoms that heart attack patients present with. That way, we will be better prepared to protect their health.
The First Lady called for personal commitment in the search for healthier lives, saying good health was critical for economic growth and societal progress.
Dealing with this urgent issue also requires cultivation of partnerships, resources, human capacity, legislation, and policy interventions. I applaud the advances that have already been made by our government and all the partners represented here.
She urged cardiovascular health stakeholders in Africa to focus more on the training of healthcare providers and provision of life-saving drugs in remote areas so as to ensure that people affected by heart diseases have access to primary health services.
We know that health is a precursor to development and growth. It is only healthy people who can be productive and successfully contribute at all levels to spur economic growth. To this end, our joint effort will require a holistic approach that calls on our individual and personal commitment to support our quest to lead healthier lives.
First Lady Margaret Kenyatta applauded local initiatives geared towards addressing cardiovascular and heart diseases in the country, such as Kenya Country Preparedness Initiative and the National Hospital Insurance Fund NHIF amendment that includes cover for acute heart attack treatment in Kenya. The First Lady spoke when she officially opened this year's Africa STEMI Live Congress. Purity Museo, Easy Friday.